Hello friends, welcome to learn JMESPath fundamentals to query JSON response of cloud CLI tools, and we are from VR Technologies. First, let me go with introduction to JMESPath. See, first of all, JMESPath is also pronounced as JMESPath, and basically JMESPath is a query language for JSON data. Nothing but extracting, filtering and transforming JSON data. See, we will get JSON data or JSON response from different places like some CLI tools, API response. But in our course, we are taking JSON response from cloud CLI tools and we will use JMESPath to query that JSON response. See, many cloud CLI tools like AWS CLI, OCI CLI and Azure CLI returns response as JSON. So we need some tools and languages to query this JSON response or JSON data. So for that, there are different tools like JQ, JSONPath and JMESPath. But they have different syntax, features and use cases. And JMESPath is an ideal tool to query JSON response of cloud CLI tools. See, all cloud CLI tools supports -- query parameter to query JSON response with JMESPath expressions. That's what we will learn in our course. Let me give simple examples. See, suppose this is AWS CLI command and this is OCI CLI command. See, suppose here if you take AWS CLI command, in this till this part it is going to give JSON response. Now from that response, suppose if you want to query your JSON data, then by using -- query parameter, you have to write your JMESPath expression based on requirement. Let me show you that. See, suppose this is AWS CLI command. Let me execute this and see the response. See, this is a JSON data or JSON response. Now from this entire response, let's say I want to display only username values. I mean these names I want to display. I don't want to display remaining data. Then in that case, you have to write JMESPath expression to query usernames. And that JMESPath expression you can pass to your AWS CLI command or any cloud CLI commands using -- query parameter. Let me show you that. So for this, using -- query parameter, all users, from that I want to display only usernames. Now see the result. That's it. So this is JMESPath expression. So in our course, we are going to learn how to create these expressions based on our query or based on our requirement. And finally, we have to remember one very important point, that is JMESPath is a lightweight tool. Suppose sometimes you may not find your required query logic using JMESPath expression. So in that case, you can combine your cloud CLI command output with the JQ command. We will see that. Okay, thank you.